Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with worksheet 9 word problems. Before starting with worksheet 9, I am going to discuss a very important topic with all of you. So here I am taking a daily life example. Suppose your mother has given you 10 toffees. She has given you 10 toffees. She has asked you to give half of the toffees to your brother. So you all are aware of that if you have to give half toffees to your brother, this means you have to give 5 toffees to your brother. Okay. We are using multiplication of fractions in daily life situations, but we are unaware how we are using them. So how can we represent this situation in mathematical forms? Your mother has asked you to give half of the toffees. I am writing it in a very simple language. Half of toffees to your brother. So half of how much toffees? 10 toffees. Okay. So which operation you will which operation you will apply in half and 10 so that you can get your answer 5. Okay. So here of symbolizes multiply. In mathematical language, of means multiply. So while writing this of as multiplication, we can solve many mathematical problems. When I cut them with the same table, we all know how to multiply by changing them into lowest term. So my answer is coming 5 toffees. So that is how I can change a simple real life problem into mathematical language and solve the same. Let us discuss a part on keeping the same in mind. Geeta has 8 marbles. She gave 1/4 of them to her younger brother. So here of is there. We will use the same concept. Number of marbles Geeta has. Number of marbles Geeta has 8. Okay. Fraction she gave to her brother. Fraction she gave to her brother. How much fraction she gave to her brother? 1/4. Okay. So number of marbles she gave or number of marbles her brother got. Both the statements can be same. Her brother got. So here it has been given 1/4 of them. Them means 8 marbles. So her brother got 1/4 of 8 marbles. And as we have learnt, of means multiply. So 1/4 of 8, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, it will be 2 marbles. So you can use this of thing in any daily life situation and you can calculate the number of parts. So we will write the conclusion also. Hence, her brother got 2 marbles. Her brother got 2 marbles. Let us see one more question of the same type. Mr. Gupta has 3:1/4 liters of petrol. How much liters of petrol? 3:1/4. If he uses 1/3 of it, here also of is given. So total quantity of petrol. Yeah, quantity of petrol. How much is the quantity of petrol? Quantity of petrol is 3:1/4 liters. Okay. Fraction he used. How much he used? He used 1/3 of it. Fraction he used 1/3. Okay. So quantity he used. What is the quantity he used? 1/3 of it. It means 3:1/4 liters. So 1/3 of 3:1/4 liters. So of symbolizes multiply and we will convert the same into improper. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. Now see if we can cut them with the same term. We cannot cut them. 3 and 13, 1 and 4. So we will simply multiply. 13 ones are 13, 3 4s are 12. Now final answer you have to check that it is improper. So we will convert it into mixed form. 12 ones are 12. 1 is left. We will use the QRD form here. So my answer will be 12:1/1 liter. So these two examples are of the type in which you have to calculate of. Okay. So in maths, of symbolizes multiplication. Okay. Dear students, now let us discuss the remaining word problems. Let us see the B word problem. 1 plum cake weighs 3:4 kg. Mr. Ramesh buy 5 such cakes. How many kilograms of cake did he buy? So what is the weight of one cake? What is the weight of one cake? 3:4 kg. Okay. So we need to find the weight of 5 cakes. 5 such cakes, the same kind cakes. So weight of 5 cakes. See, the quantity of 1 is given. We need to find for 5. So we will multiply. Please remember that whenever the thing for 1 is given and many has been asked. Okay. 1 is given and many has been asked, so you will always have to multiply. We will check here if they are coming in the same table. They are not coming in the same table, so we will directly multiply. 5 3s are 15, 4 1s are 4. And the last thing is to write the final answer in the mixed number form. 4 3s are 12 and remainder is 3. So 4 3 3 kg, and you will write the conclusion. Hence, weight of 5 cakes is equal to 3:3/4 kg. Okay. Now coming on to the another word problem, which is C part. The cost of 1 has been given. You have to find the cost of 1 1/2. In this also you will multiply. You will multiply the cost of 1 with the 1 1/2. Okay. Now I am discussing the F word problem. The thickness of one mathematics book of class 5 is 1:1/4. So thickness of one book. What is the thickness of one book? 1:1/4 centimeter, which is 5/4 centimeter, and we need to calculate the thickness of 16 such books. Thickness of 16 such books. So for 1 it has been given and many has been asked. 1 and many. So we will multiply here also. 5/4 multiply 16. We will check if they are coming in the same table. They are coming. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So my final answer will be 5 into 4, 1 into 1, 20/1, or we can simply write it 20 centimeter. Conclusion statement. Hence, thickness of 16 books is equal to 20 centimeter. You can do these word problems in your classwork notebook. Okay. Thank you so much. This is it for today.